It's a little lakeside stop on our way to our first hike along the shores of Lake Geneva. See some of the Alps on the far side of the lake. All the vineyards terraced into the side of the hill here. There's our little red car. Hi everybody.
And me.
Hi Jack.
Imagine that being your house. Imagine that was your house up there.
Here we are partway up our hike from Leysin up the Berneuse trail. One of our friendly cows. And a herd of his friends here. We are way up high in the mountains here and they're grazing. You can see the terrain that they graze in. Yeah, okay. We're heading up that way and through that low part there. You can see a couple other hikers ahead of us somewhere. I lost them. Hey Tori. Hey Carly. Steep climb, eh?
Yeah.
Hey. Hey Jack. Hey mommy.
Hey. Slowpoke behind us. Oh, whatever.
You keep encouraging her, Jack. She'll keep up. I know she's old, but she's pretty good.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Thanks for watching.
Cheryl, what do you think? Climb up an old dried up riverbed? Nice fun?
It's fun.
There's the cows in the distance you can still hear.
The rest of the way will be fun, guaranteed.
And sorry about that blurry stuff. And we are heading back and continuing up this old riverbed where the spring runoff runs, I guess. Up there to the top and over there and who knows where.
Well, that was a nice adventure. I'm gonna interview now. How was it?
That was a difficult climb, straight up in some places, where near the top I didn't want to look down because I realized it was very vertical, so we had to just keep going up. And we realized that we kind of took a shortcut. When we got to the top, we found the actual path where we were supposed to go that went around the other side of a big hill, mountain. But we're here now, alive in one piece.
Did you get the part where
Yay!
we're clinging to the mountain by tufts of grass?
Interview them.
Now,
Hey Jack.
how was the mountain?
Well, I'm going to go for Parent of the Year because I just had my children clinging to the side of the mountain by tufts of grass.
And watching Jack climb like Spider Monkey in front of me with rocks falling at his feet was quite scary.
Good job, buddy.
Carly?
That's it. That pretty much covers everything. Now show the trail that we were supposed to take.
Well, we were supposed to take this trail over here, but actually we ended up taking that trail. Looks hard.
Stop.
No one can walk
Well,
that.
bye.
Here we are at La Berneuse, the peak, Lake Geneva, the valley below, More mountains in the distance. We came from way over there somewhere. And some picture taking. We have 5 minutes to get the gondola down, or we have to walk an hour downhill. So we're going to catch that gondola. Back down somewhere down there. Beautiful.